Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Only Bio. Presenting up the revision on the chapter Skeleton and Locomotion. Friends, I hope you have been following this series. In this segment, I am going to present the important points from 61 to 80. Point number 61. The skull bones in man develop from the membrane which undergoes ossification to form membranous bones. Next, bones formed by ossification of pre-existing bones are termed as replacing bones. Next, joint between the skull and the atlas, which allows the nodding movements, is called as the Atlanto-occipital joint. Friends, I hope you know it's a kind of a hinge joint, that is uniaxial joint. Next, the obturator foramen is also called ischiopubic foramen. Next, a small bone present in the anterior corner of the orbit is the lacrymal bone. Point number 66. The membranous bone forming false palate is maxilla. Next, thoracic rib of man is two-headed. Next, in man, tarsals are adapted for supporting the weight. Next, first digit of the hind limb is hallux. Next, the ear ossicles, that is ear bones of man, are arranged in the order that is starting from eardrum to inwards, malleus, incus and stapes. Point number 71. The atypical thoracic vertebrae are 1, 9, 10 and 12. Next, only one atypical lumbar vertebra in man is the fifth one. Next, male sacrum is longer than broader and is heavier. Its sacral index is less than that of the female. Next, in the adult female, pelvis is identified from the adult male pelvis by obturator foramen, which is small, triangular, with less muscular impressions. Next, cartilage acts as a shock absorber to cushion tibia and femur where they come together. Point number 76. Posterior region of the sternum is termed as xiphisternum. Next, malleus is attached to the tympanic membrane. Next, in turning the palm upwards, the radius turns upon its axis and ulna. Next, a bone in human skeleton with sigmoid notch is the ulna. Next, human vertebral column has four curvatures, of which cervical and lumbar curvatures are directed forwards. Friends, hope you are enjoying this series. Your comments are most awaited. Please subscribe if you haven't and keep studying with me. Thank you so much.